It was just a matter of time before any company would integrate SQL or structured query language of databases with the ChatGPT. Databricks have just done that. Extracting information from text has always been a challenge in SQL. Databricks solved that just now with ChatGPT. You can now query OpenAI API in SQL from your warehouse. Right, as you can see on your screen, this is the example of to do text classification, and you can also do more in this SQL plus large language model integration. Databricks recently released AI functions to simplify text processing with the Lakehouse. You can now solve any text-related task asking external large language model or LLM in the new AI underscore generate underscore text function. And on the screen, you can see one example of this AI generate text function. You can also use DB demos to get the demo content in your Lakehouse now in your trial version, and then you can learn and practice this um, AI functions with your content to extract entities and use them as JSON with OpenAI from your tables. You can also generate fake data with it. You can install DB demos with pip, and then you can use that in your Python code too. If you don't want to install anything, then you can use Jupyter Notebooks just to try it out. I hope that you found it useful and interesting. So, if you have any feedback, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.